Hi, and slightly late. Good morning. It is the 30th of December. Oh my god, Rafa turns 1 year old tomorrow, and yes, I am going to be vlogging it as much as I possibly can. The day is a very exciting day because we've basically gotten reunited with our California family. You are aware of my family who I lived with last year. If you're watching this vlog in 2026, then the year before last. So let me just say 2024 is when you saw a lot of them. And they landed in this morning at 5 a.m. My brother and I went to the airport to pick them up, came back, napped for a little bit, and actually the morning's been super chaotic. I had to do a bunch of things for Rafa's birthday prep for tomorrow, bunch of calls, bunch of things. Apart from which, I also have apart from which I completely blanked out there. Apart from which, Mr. Gerard Jeranjan forgot his laptop charger and phone charger and AirPod at home. So Khalid, my cousin, who you guys have met a lot by now, quite a bit by now, him, Rafa and I jumped into the car and went and dropped his stuff at his office, but then we landed up chilling there for a little bit with him and meeting some of his colleagues and stuff as well. I couldn't vlog any of that because there was so much happening at the same time. I apologize, but I do intend on vlogging the rest of the day, especially because there's a ginormous US haul coming up for you. Few things that I ordered, a lot of gifts for Rafa, and I'm just gonna try and put everything together at some point through the day and take you through it. For now, Jerry's at work. Khalid has stepped out to meet someone. He'll be back soon, and my Chachi is out for some appointments. My Chachu and Zoya just reached, but they've gone upstairs to mom, so let's go up and join them. We'll go for a weekend or something. I'm up at my mom's house and Keema is being had, and Chachu and Zoya are here. Hi. Say hi. I had to meet Khalid also because Khalid was gone by the time I started vlogging. Keema from Rajasthan. Yeah, I know. Maybe we would think खास जल्दी आए for Rafa's birthday. Otherwise, they would have come later. But you want to go to Jaipur? You should have told me. We would have planned a weekend in Jaipur. हम लोग तो अजमेर के लिए we would have worked around that also. Then अजमेर चले जाते. You are here for 7 days only. They are not here for 7 days. Hi, puppy.
Zoya is working.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, she got a new job
Like
with college.
What kind of job?
Teaching kids after school.
How old are they?
From kindergarten to 7th grade.
Teacher Zoya.
Yeah, so I'll be
How
getting paid.
nice. Nice.
So in the morning I'll have classes. After that, see the school to teach students.
And I will also get paid, na?
No,
Why not me?
You
won't have to pay
you
them.
now.
How about
get
that?
paid. You will not have to pay.
Yeah. So say that.
1 rupee भी नहीं है तो वो हमारा जो experience है ना.
Look who's come. Your Zimashi is here. Your Chotinanu is here. You recognize them?
नींद में है अभी, हाँ?
ये भी हल्का हल्का रूम है जैसे actually.
है ना?
Full room ऐसा लगता है.
Everybody says that only. And
भाई आगे जाके प्रॉब्लम बहुत है क्लेफ्ट है इसको.
हाँ, ये रफीक थे ना.
पापा
Yeah.
क्यों प्रॉब्लम क्लेफ्ट से?
बहुत फ्लर्ट करते हैं ना.
हाँ ये सब बोलते हैं. मेरे को
सलीम
बिना
को ऐसा ही
बताए
है.
हुए बोले.
सलीम का ऐसा ही है.
मुझे तुमसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी.
मालूम है ना पापा के बारे में अनम.
खोल दो सब पोल
अनम मालूम है ना.
सब पोल खोल दो.
पापा? मेरा पापा तो बहुत सीधा साधा आदमी है.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
सब अपने बाप को
मैं क्या?
सीधे साधे समझते. लेकिन वो बराबर याद है उसको.
लेकिन जोई उसकी बॉटल्स को धो के स्टेरिलाइज सबसे ज्यादा करी है मेरे पास.
और जी मामा तुम इतना देख रहे हो याद उसको फ्लैशबैक हो रहा है उसको.
वो आंखें कर रही है.
अच्छा, who's Nanu? Hello.
Nanu?
Look a little bit this side also. Look at छोटे Nanu. Hello.
जोया के सामने तुम्हारा
थोड़ा
तो ज़रा भी देखते हैं.
बा We are back down and I'm sitting with 3 boys. 1, 2 and 3. And we're just doing time pass, and this one is doing dhamal, keeping everyone on his toes. And Toki from our office is here to pack all of the return presents for the adults for tomorrow's party. Hey, Don't eat that remote. I don't know what it is. He has his own like non-working remote, but he finds a way to the actual remote. I don't even know what to say. Yeah. Hey, be careful. No. Oh, okay. There you go. That was one of your birthday presents, but alright. We're trying to figure if it'll fit him. It's his very first designer outfit. My chachu has sent for him. It's a Versace cord set with a matching bib, which is just so adorable. And I actually had another birthday outfit picked for him for tomorrow, but I'm debating if I should skip that and put him in this instead. It is so cute. The t-shirt, the plain shorts, and a matching bib. And it's in the whole Versace box and everything. जानकी दीदी आपने चाय चढ़ाया ना? हाँ जी, please. I want to say good morning because I feel like I've just woken up again. It's a little after 6, like 6:05 or something. Now my phone is not next to me. I got a nap because I am still catching up on sleep from the fact that I almost didn't sleep at all night, and then when I finally got 1 hour of sleep, I had to wake up to go to the airport. My chachi and my cousin said, "Matao, pura din kharab ho jayega," but I really wanted to go to get them home from the airport. Khalid is staying with us. But everyone else, like my chachi staying with her sister and my chachu and cousin are staying behind. Thank you. Right now, Khalid and Rumaisa and my dad and PK have all gone for a drive. Thank you. And I said I'm not going because like I'm still just getting my senses back in. I had just woken up 5 minutes ago at the time when they were leaving. And I usually take Raphael down every single evening. But because मैं इतनी थकी हुई थी, my dad was like, आज मैं उसको लेके जाता हूँ. बर्थडे के काम कल के लिए थोड़ा बहुत बाकी है. Like I need to make sure the crockery is washed and I need to make sure the things are in place. Rafa has a couple of pieces of, like, for example, his Nuna leaf, which he doesn't sit on as much anymore, and a little blue chair which was Rayan's old chair. I need to just send that stuff up tomorrow so that there's space in the bed. Our IKEA bed that we have in the nursery doesn't close with as much ease anymore. वो थोड़ा सा शायद bend हो गया अंदर का एक लकड़ा. So I have to tell Jerry when he comes home from work that tomorrow he needs to figure a way to close that back. He needs to find a way to close that back, the bed, so that all the children that are there tomorrow can play in the nursery around, say, without with more space, as opposed to with the bed open. The bed closed might just be easier for them. Yeah, I'm just resetting and then we'll go from there. Is that you?
Yes.
Oh my god! Hi! Look who walked in. Like Santa Claus.
Oh.
I was vlogging. Mamu has walked in like Santa Claus for his Bhanja's birthday. 1 day in advance. I knew he was gonna come. Chai piyega?
No.
Have coffee?
No, I just had so much chatter patter that day.
What is chatter patter? BRB. Hey. Mama said no. Mama said no. Mama said no. I hate one chappal. He's up. He had gone up for namaz. Are you excited?
For?
Tomorrow is your son's first birthday.
I have a son?
You have a son. You have a moon. Are you excited, ma'am? It's your best. I don't know if he's your best friend, but you're his best friend. So it's his birthday. Are you excited? Yes! She's literally Rafa's best friend. No. Mama said no. Rafa. Mama said no.
चप्पल एक लगी थी.
क्या बोला?
चप्पल ऐसे नहीं खाते. जब बड़ा होगा इसकी माँ इसको चप्पल खिलाएगी.
Why do you think I'm going to chappal khilao my child? He's a good child, yeah. He listens.
I can see.
I mean, now he doesn't understand, so you can't expect that out of him now. But hopefully, बड़ा होगा तो सुनेगा. Rafa, Mama said no. So what I really wanted to do. So what I really wanted to do was give you like a whole haul of everything that's come from America. But I realized that I feel like I should do a separate video now on everything Rafa got as a birthday gift. It'll be nice for him to look back at when he's much older. So I feel like I'm gonna do a separate birthday vlog, and most likely I guess I want to do a separate what Rafa got for his birthday vlog. But I will show you the stuff I called for from America for myself. So hang on to your hats for that little bit. What's up? Yay! Big mystery has been solved. I've been looking for this bow of mine for a couple of days and we couldn't find it. What is he doing? Hey, no. Rafa, no beta. No eating chappal. I wanted to wear it tomorrow for Rafa's birthday and I'm glad that Parokala located it. Rafa, no eating chappal. What is your obsession with chappal, beta? Text Khalid, he doesn't know that you're here. That's why I dropped him a message, but I don't think he's seen it. Basically, that. What a lovely, chaotic, crazy day it's been. I love it. Going up to mom's for a very important task. So basically tomorrow our guest list is around 35-38 people. My formal crockery is only 1 dozen and mama has another dozen. So I'm obviously going to be merging their formal crockery with ours. Going up to make selections on just what all I need. Small plates, big plates, bowls, etc, etc. And then need to get the crockery washed and prepped and set for tomorrow so that in the morning things are not chaotic. ये क्यों मेरा fingerprint नहीं ले रहा है? हाँ मम्मा.
What do you want? Do you want to have mutton samosa or jelly? You want to have?
I don't know about jelly. Me. I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, so this will be very handy.
Yeah. So you
But actually, I can't take your serveware, na. It won't match my serveware.
That's okay ना. देखो जरूरत तो पड़ेगी लेकिन ना.
हाँ, you तो.
ये वाली सर्वे इधर है.
No, that serveware.
लंबी वाली.
There's gyoza, there's cream corn, and there's one more. तो उसमें 4. How many of these do you have? She's got a new pepperoni blanket that Khalid got her from California. And I think she's becoming pizza cousin it.
Is this on your eyes? Even?
I don't even think it's on her eyes. Her nose is like here, Jerry.
Oh, that's a nose.
Yeah. You look like a weird burqa wearing pizza ghost. Oh my god.
Can you see?
Yeah, I'm very good.
You're very good.
I'm sure.
Okay, let's take you through my US haul and show you everything that has come in. So I love that I can have a bunch of things brought down with the fam because hamara ulta hota hai. Typically when we go to America, we shop there. And when they come to India, they shop here. So they get a lot of random extra suitcase space, which means that they bring the suitcases with my stuff and take it back with their new stuff. The opposite when we travel, right? Called for a few things. First off, the thing I'm actually most excited about is mom coded as this may be, is this specific nebulizer for Raphael. Last time he had a cold, I struggled with what to do for him and I placed a humidifier with eucalyptus oil near him. The humidifier turned out to be bakwas and it stopped working after like maybe not even a month, I think. I can't remember. This specific nebulizer has like steam that goes or like whatever vapors that go towards the baby and it has various heads which I feel like I can just leave next to his crib at night and I couldn't find this here so I looked at Amazon America and this worked out. Khalid got it in for him. The other thing that I ordered is this Ulanzi suction base but not the one with the phone holder. This is the one with a little screw which means I can put any gadget on it and have it stuck to the wall, which is super useful for someone like me if you're a creator or if you own a brand and you do content for your brand. Stuff like this is like super useful. It's no more meant only for creators because if your brand bhi hai in any industry you're working as a professional, I feel like we all need to make content. And then this is my second purchase for this exact suction holder for the phone with the MagSafe. What brand is it? I don't remember the brand name and there's no brand name written. Wow, it's just called Original Design. This is what it looks like if you want to take a screenshot. Unfortunately, this exact model is not available in India and the ones that I have got in India just don't have the grip that this one does. I had this earlier as well and it got spoiled because I tried to put the magnetic back of the DJI Osmo Cam which I'm vlogging on right now on it and I think it couldn't take the weight तो वो गिर गया and उसका पूरा ये खराब हो गया. आप खोल दीजिए दरवाजा, कोई बात नहीं. जानकी दीदी दरवाजे पे कोई है, जाइए कोई बात नहीं. And that got spoiled so I wanted another one because it's really good and makes my life super easy. Now I'm gonna show you a couple of things that actually came in PR for me but over there in California. आ जाओ, सामान है, crockery है सब. All the crockery is being brought down. I'm gonna show you 2 brands that have reached out to me and wanted to send me PR and were kind enough to let me make selections, so I think I know what's coming my way. There are 4 bags, you guys, and one of them is for Rafa. I'm excited about all his things more than my things these days. So this is from a brand called Luli Bebe. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. If I'm not, I apologize. They reached out and were like, we want to send you something. And their collection looked really, really nice, I have to say. Okay, this bag looks even better in person. This is a gorgeous camel colored bum bag, waist bag, whatever you want to call it. It's obviously folded up. The strap is a lot longer. I've been reaching for a lot of this style since becoming a mom, but also since becoming a mom of a toddler, not infant. Because I take him to gardens and parks and I don't want to have a shoulder bag on me. I don't want to have a purse on me. I want to have something that just fits a couple of basics and I'm good to go. And when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I need to have it. There's also a nice thick motasa coin pouch thing going on over here, which I don't think is going to land up getting used for coins. Likely it'll get used for AirPods or something like that. I don't know, we'll find out. The material feels very nice and I love that it has gold hardware. I gravitate towards everything with gold hardware. I think I have one bag, the Gucci bag, my first ever luxury purchase from like 6-7 years ago, that has silver hardware, and nothing else that I have has silver hardware. Okay, then this second bag that's also to the Lilu. Sorry, is it Lilu or Luli? Luli Bebe. I really hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's a big one, and this is for Rafa, and if I remember correctly, this one's kind of like a weekender, like a duffel bag. I used to have a really nice duffel bag that I was using briefly for Rafa's things, for like our staycations and mini travels here and there, and then I think it got spoiled because it got rubbed against something and the leather peeled off it. It was from Bershka or something like that. It wasn't like a high-end luxury leather purchase. It was something I had gotten as a gift a while back, and I have been meaning to replace that since then, and I just kept forgetting to. So I am glad that this one might replace that. Going by the first bag, I feel like the leather material is quite nice. Let's see. And the packing is also very, very nice. Plus this was in really big box packing, which obviously Khalid had to remove while bringing it down, so everything would fit in the suitcases. Okay, this material feels really nice as well. This is the same color as the first one, and it's so nice. Like, it's just girly enough that I can use it for Rafa, but also like I'm the one who's carrying it, so it needs to be my vibe. Also, will totally be using this for shoots and not just Rafa, for the record. It is beautiful. It has this little quilted threaded detailing on the front pocket, magnet. The smell of a new bag is like paint or like petrol. Some people like it and some people don't. I clearly like it. And I want to... Oh, there's another pocket at the back with a magnet as well. And man, this is huge. This is about to be really spacious, huh? There's a huge strap as well in case I want to carry it on the shoulder. And it is very spacious. It is like my baby could fit in there. I won't be putting him in there, but I'm just saying. Then we've got a side pocket, which is lovely. Again, magnets everywhere, which is great. And here too. Thank you so much to Team Luli Bebe for sending this across to me. I have 2 more bags that I need to show you. This is from a brand that has sent me PR before, so this is the second or the third time they're sending me PR. It's from Teddy Blake. Again, I appreciate when people allow for me to make selections, because then I know what I need and what I will end up reaching for. They do really nice leather designs, and they do kind of like, I want to say, but I don't know if I should say, but I should say it anyway, kind of like dupe styles for really, really luxurious brands, but some original stuff in there as well, like inspired by, but there's some original stuff in there as well. And it's not like it's like a Sastu brand. It's good quality leather, and because I have one of the earlier bags, yeah, they've sent me PR once before, because I have one Teddy Blake bag from before. This is the second time. That means they're sending me PR. That bag has lasted me really well. So we've got this beautiful, you can see I'm in the mood for the browns and the camel and the chocolates. It's a nice, beautiful tote bag. Again, we've got gold hardware going on over here. I like the smell. And again, this is spacious as hell on the inside. And there's also a zip at the back, like a pocket zip at the back, which is always very convenient. This again is very content creator, businesswoman, but also mom coded, because it's so spacious. And let's move on to the last bag. Which color was it? I think it was in the same color family because I'm going through this beige neutral phase in my life where I like everything to be a certain way. I've never been like a follow this aesthetic person, but I think I'm kind of liking it, so I'm just going with the flow on it, I guess. Their stuff, I have to say, comes really nicely packed as well. Last time as well as this time, Khalid showed me on video call that listen, this has come really nicely packed and everything's come with dust bags, as you can see. Yes, oh my god, am I crazy or am I crazy? That's a really similar color but lighter. This is great for me to carry to events and stuff. It's a beautiful bag again from Teddy Blake. I don't know how well the colors are translating. I think decently, but it's all matching with my living room aesthetic also quite a bit. And once again, we have gold hardware. I think this comes with a long shoulder strap too. One sec, let me open it up. I'm pretty sure it does. I like the way it opens. Very interesting. Yeah, there's a long shoulder strap. And again, just spacious enough for me to have the essentials but have this teeny tiny vlog camera fit inside at the same time. I feel like I love totes, but I'm carrying things very specifically in this season of my life. Like they're either really small and compact or they're like really big. All my in-betweens are kind of hanging. But I love this. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you, Team Teddy Blake, for sending this across. I'm leaving links to all of the bags down below in the description section. So check this out. Not sponsored. Gifted, yes. But I genuinely love the feel of all of these. Okay, with that, I've shown you pretty much everything that I got from America for me. I was initially going to show you all the stuff that Khalid and Chachi Zoya got for Rafa as well. But I think, like I said earlier, I'm just going to do a Rafa birthday gift haul video separately after tomorrow's birthday party. I'm gonna have prawns for dinner and gonna try and I'm not gonna sleep early because I'm gonna wait till the clock strikes 12 so I can bring Rafa's birthday in, but I'm gonna get some work done on the computer. I have to get some admin stuff done and in place for Verified, and I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this day-ish vlog with things happening but not so many things happening, but things happening. Catch you later, gotta get the dough. Bye. Bye. I was just unboxing all the bags. Ho gaya.